Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter, you know if I'm laughing, something's coming. Peter, boom, 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 review stuff. And today I am so excited on the heels of reviewing the Dapper Dog box. I am so excited to review the Bark box. Oh, hello Tucker. There is Tucker here to help me with the, now where's your brother? You don't know? Well, let me break out my iPhone 10 and call up your brother. Here, I gotta put in his number real quick. Okay, here we go. Hello? Could I speak to Boo Radley, please? Boo Radley! Oh, Boo Radley, okay. All right, this is his secretary. He's on an adventure. Well, here he is right here. Boo, do you want to talk to your secretary? You want to say? He said, you're fired. Fired? Boo Radley. Oh, my Lord. Why would you be so mean to your assistant? He said, she's worthless. She's worthless. He said, she didn't book me in first class when I went on my adventure. So anyway, Boo Radley, I love your ringtone, by the way. Okay. Today, with my, oh, Lord, he just jumped right off. Boo Radley, come here. Boo, come on. You want to come up here? Come on, honey. He just shook. Come here, honey. We're going to do this is like a one take kind of thing, see? You can't be jumping down. We're going to do the Bark box. Here we go. You ready? People, you seem so excited today about this. Okay. Today we're going to do the Bark box. I will tell you, I just got on Amazon and I'm so excited because my squirrel table is right out there. And I ordered squirrel food, which is like little corns and stuff. And then I ordered bird feed for my bird feeders and wild rabbit food. I'm so excited. I've turned into that person, okay? But today we're going to open the Bark box, which if you just watched my review of the Dapper Dog box, which I did like 2 days ago or something like that, I was saying in there that I don't know that I'm going to continue my subscription with the Dapper Dog box because really these subscription boxes, let's just be honest, okay? The treats and the toys and stuff are for them. But like the theme and the excitement of opening a subscription box is really for us. It's, you know, to like, oh, this is really fun and this is really cute. You know, like, okay, that took a turn down a really not family friendly street. So we're going to come back, okay? But what I was saying was I reviewed it the other day, you know, the Dapper Dog box, and I was real excited about it. I love these subscription boxes for dogs. But the reality is that the dogs don't know the difference, right? Between the toys and the treats and things like that. Come on, Tucker. Come on, buddy. He's like, I can't make it that far. Come on, buddy. Okay, come on. They don't know the difference between all that, right? So for us, like the theme of the video should be like really cool. Or the theme of the video should be really cool. The theme of the box, I've lost my mind at this point. The theme of the box should be really fun. It should be something different other than, are we just opening a box with some toys and treats in it? Then you know what? Price it down to $19.95 and don't make it $39.95. Like put a little bit of effort into it. For me, part of the fun is opening the box and being like, oh my God, what is it this month? So, are you ready? Now, they have like, if this is Scooby-Doo, I have to tell you, on BarkBox, I noticed that they have this whole Scooby-Doo theme over there, and I am a diehard Scooby-Doo fan. I doubt this is Scooby-Doo, but if this is Scooby-Doo, I'm gonna absolutely lose my mind, okay? And see, that's what I'm talking about. Like where there's like a whole theme to everything. I love that, right? So let's, like last month was Squeak Easy, and that video was really fun to do. Okay, let's open this up and see what is, oh my God, it is, it's Scooby-Doo, I'm so excited, oh my God. Because he's coming out with a new movie. So this is what you see when you open it, okay? Bark, Scoob, only in theaters, May 15th. Are theaters back open? I don't think so. But anyway, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Tucker, look. Tucker, what are you doing back there? Are you hiding? He's like, I'm hiding. I don't know what's going on. It's Scooby. Oh my God, the one that why do you keep on going over there, Tucker? What's going on? He's like, I don't know. Are there treats in there? The one thing what is he doing over there? He's being so silly. The one thing that I really wanted in this box is in here, and I'm so excited. Okay. So when you open it, it says, join the team, cut out the Scoob tag, and fold it over your dog's collar for an unforgettable photo. BarkBox Day Scoob. And then this is what it looks like when you open it. I don't want to show you what's inside yet because it's really cool, okay? So then it says, Scoob, from the bravest Chihuahua to the scaredest Great Dane, every dog has a beginning. You'll never forget that first time you locked eyes with your pup. Aww. I miss Pee-Pee for being in these videos. And knew that search was over. The mystery was solved. You were meant for each other. Do you remember that, Tucker? The first day that Dad and I came. Come on, come over here. The first day that Dad and I came and we got you. So, we went to go get Boo and Tucker, okay? And we had only planned to get one dog that day. And it was the last two. And the woman that we got them from, she wasn't really like a breeder, but she was selling these pups. So their mom, so her really good friend had given, the night before, had given, whatever you call it, birth or whatever, she was a Chihuahua, and she had given birth to all these Chihuahua puppies. And the mother had died while she was giving birth. And so Boo and Tucker's mother was feeding these Chihuahua puppies, and it was very, very cute. And so we came in, and they were like in this little pen area, and it was just Boo and Tucker. And I will put a picture up here somewhere. They were so cute. Oh my God, they were so cute. And they were very, very little, weren't you? And we looked at them, and so, like, Alex goes, he's so cute. And I go, I know, isn't he? And we both reached down at the same time. And Alex picked up Tucker, and I picked up Boo Radley. And it was like, I am such a believer in imprinting, because Boo Radley is my dog, and Tucker is Alex's dog. I mean, they're obviously both of our dogs, right? But, like, as far as who loyalty is to. And she said to us, she said, you know, like, it's just the two of them. And she was like, talking about Boo Radley, she was like, he seems a little bit slower. Like, he's not really, like, he was like the runt of the litter. And so she said, his brother protects him and watches over him. Well, Tucker, he always watches over Boo Radley. And she said, so if you're going to take one of them, we ask that you take both of them or don't take either one of them. And I was like, so we took both of them. We didn't plan to come home with both of them. We planned to come home with just one, but he came home. Oh, and when we reached down, their mom, she went like that, even though she was like feeding these Chihuahua babies. She went, she was she wasn't happy about it. And the woman said to her, she goes, he's back there, Boo Radley's back there making his bed in the area. He is already in this box. He said, this video is getting so long. I know. But anyway, the lady said, she goes, they're not going to hurt your babies. They're not going to hurt your babies. And I always tell Boo and Tucker the story, don't I? I always tell it, and Dad gets real tired of it. And I say, she said, they're not going to hurt your babies. And then and we haven't either. See? And that's the story, isn't it? Because they have like such a wonderful life today that you came and lived with us. Boo said, I don't remember, but I go on lots of adventures. So anyway, let's get in this. How did your epic tale begin? Oh my God, it says in here, take a BarkBox photo of your dog with their Scoob toys. In the caption, tell us the story of how you first teamed up with your pups. I just told the whole story, didn't I? I love you. You're so sweet. I love you. They're so sweet. Are you guys ready for what I am so excited about in here? Look hard. First we get the Magic Mystery Machine. I have wanted one of these for so long. You don't even know what it is, do you? So it says right here, Scoob, the mystery machine. It crinkles. See, all of their toys do like double things, which I think is really cool. It crinkles, and then it has a disc squeaker inside. And behind the squeak, Soinks, the mystery machine is packed with all your dog's favorites. Fluff, you like that, don't you? Tucker's the only one that plays with toys. Crackling, crinkle, and a big squeaker. Okay, so we're gonna take the thing off of it. Go in here and make sure that the little thing is out. There you go. It's all gone. Do you like that? He said, I'm ready for the treats. You want treats? Are you ready for the treats? Scooby's. If it says, I didn't look, but I swear to God, if it says Scooby Snacks on there, I'm going to lose it. I'm going to lose my mind, okay? The next thing you get in here, oh my God, is you get a little Scooby. Oh my God, I love this. Scooby, he's over on the treats. He's looking at the treats. I think I saw something out of the corner of my eye. I think I did. I think I saw it. Scoob, it says. Crinkle. He doesn't really care for the crinkle. And disc squeaker. So there you go. You got, oh my God. Okay, I've got to get to him, you guys, because it's too good. Hold on. Got it. Okay. You want to make sure that these little things are cut out for the dog. So we'll have to cut that one out because it's not coming out. Okay. So then we have treats. We have 3 things of treats. In the first treat, 2 treats. Are you guys ready? Scooby Snacks. I am so excited. Oh my God, I cannot believe this. Okay, so we have Scooby Snacks, pork recipe, dog treats. Give me a kiss. He said no. With pumpkin, and there you go, right there. And then Scooby Snacks, peanut butter dog. We already know you like the peanut butters. Peanut butter dog treats with blueberries and vanilla. Tucker said I'm ready for all of it. And then the last thing you get is this Scooby Snacks beef recipe dog treat. And it's like one of these big ones. I'm not gonna open this because like we cut them into smaller pieces for them. Okay, and then there are also, it shows down here, the before we get into the treats, it shows all of the little toys you can get. You can get Baby Rotten, and a Scoob, and then you can get Scoob's Groovy Sandwich, Muttley. I got the two best. I am so excited. I would have been real upset, okay? And some not family-friendly things would have been said on here if I had gotten like the other two. I mean, I got the two that I wanted to get. I am so excited. Oh my God, I am beyond. This is a 5 out of 5. Beyond 5 out of 5. This is where like the whole theme of everything can just completely take it away. Okay. Now let's try, they just ate their dinner, so this will be interesting to see. We're gonna try with the pork recipe dog treats with pumpkin. Oh, these are cut up to the size that Dad likes to cut them up for you. They're real little, like this, see? Okay, here you go. You want it, Boo? Boo Rowley. Come here, honey. Okay. Eat it. There you go. He likes to play with his treats more than... You like that? You want another one? Well, Tucker liked it. Boo Rowley, here, your treat's right here, honey. There you go. Eat it. Well, he likes it because he's not throwing it away, but he wants to play with it. Boo Rowley will sit on the step, the bottom step, and he'll just like lick and lick and lick and lick and lick the treats forever. Yeah, it drives me crazy, Dad. He's the most lickingest person in the world. They both are looking. Okay, let's try Scooby Snacks peanut butter dog treats with blueberries and vanilla. Let's try this one. Okay. Let's see if this one smells good. Do you know what it smells like? That's so weird. It smells like Nutter Butters. Okay. So this is what they look like. They're little like peanut butter treats. Here you go. Tucker is like that Mikey. Like Mikey likes it. He'll eat anything. Come here, Boo. You want to try this one? You want it? Here. Put it right there for you. Did you like that? I think you've had enough. Oh, sorry. I think you've had enough. You've had enough, haven't you? Do you want one more? Here, I'll give you these little pork ones. These are probably a little bit better for you. Here you go. They like these. Oh, did you eat yours, Boo? No. He's like, Tucker, these are for Boo. Here you go, sweetie. Here, Boo. He thinks it's... He took his same treat. Here's his other one. Here, you can have this one since Boo won't eat it. Anyway, that is everything that you get. I think that's fantastic. And then you get this beef recipe dog treat. And here's the thing, okay? Like, you know, probably all this stuff is... I don't know if it would come to $39.99 or not, but I will say this, it probably comes to a little bit less than that. But the theme of opening all of it, like this was really cool. I love this. The Squeak Easy last month was really cool. He really likes his martini glass, don't you? He said, I love it. And his favorite part is that the ball comes off the martini glass, and right over there is one of the little donkey guy from the Squeak Easy. He loves his toys, don't you? He said, yes, I do, Daddy. Can you give me 5? He said, no, we don't know any tricks. We don't even know set. But anyway, I would give this a 5 out of 5. I loved it. I thought it was fantastic. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.